Question number 1. This is biology physics, and you already know how critical biology is as a science student. You want to enter that university, do pharmacy, do nursing, medicine, lab scientists, microbiology. You cannot do without this subject. So pay attention as I begin to give you expo questions, as I begin to open your eyes. Possible questions, things you should expect in your JAMB Biology exam. These are real questions from JAMB, okay? What is the powerhouse of the cell? What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The answer, the powerhouse of a cell, of course you already know a cell. The powerhouse of a cell is the mitochondria. The mitochondria, do you know why? Because the mitochondria is responsible for respiration, breathing in and breathing out, right? It is the powerhouse because you know any organism that cannot breathe in or out is already dead, right? And the powerhouse is the mitochondria. It is for the breathing in and the breathing out. Even though the nucleus is important, the Golgi apparatus is important, the endoplasmic reticulum are important. There's a video I made where we explain cells, where we explain plant cell, animal cell, the diagram, the difference between them and all the rest, and the functions of the organelles. Okay, so I will attach the video somewhere at the end of this video. Now, also, assignment number 1 for you. I want you to define cell. Give me your own definition of cell. C-E-double-L. Give me your own definition of a cell. Assignment number 1. Which organelle are those things inside a cell, right? Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis, for synthesizing protein? Okay, is it Golgi apparatus? Is it ribosome? Is it lysosome? Is it peroxisome? We have Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, peroxisome. The answer, of course, you can see on the screen is B, ribosome. Whenever you hear protein in cells, your mind should go to ribosome. Whenever you hear proteins, your mind should go straight to ribosome, right? Now, I want you to find that for me and tell me in the comment section the functions of Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and peroxisome. Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and peroxisome. Tell me their functions in the comment section. Anytime I give an assignment, there is something I saw. I wrote JAMB many years ago, and I've seen many JAMB bites come and go, right? I did not start this today, so I've seen a lot of things. There are some things I know will happen which you as a fresher in JAMB may not know. Therefore, if I give you an assignment, be the first person to do the assignment. What is the basic unit of heredity? What is the basic unit of heredity? A. Protein. B. Gene. C. Enzyme. D. Carbohydrate. Of course, you know that the basic units for heredity is your gene. You inherit things you inherited, both your height, your skin color, your eye color, and all the rest are all in your gene. They are passed from the father and the mother, the parents. Okay, I hope you are following. Remember that what you are watching should be part 7 of our videos on biology. We have done part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. What you are now looking at is part 7. That is to say, you still need to go back to part 1, watch what we did in part 1, watch it over and over again, then come back, watch part 2, come back, watch part 3. The essence of watching is not just wasting your time, it is your preparation. It is getting you set for this exam, because JAMB may not be easy for a lot of persons. This year's JAMB, over 2 million persons has registered for JAMB this year. Last year it was 1 point something million. this year 2 point something million. You can see that the number of people looking for admission this year have doubled. Therefore, those that will get admission are the best of the best. The best of the best scores in JAMB this year are those that will qualify for admission. Therefore, you and every member of this channel, Noble Tutorials, that want to gain admission must go the extra mile, must read harder. You must read harder than your peers. Yes, you must read harder than you read before. You must read harder than you did while writing WAEC or NECO. You must push harder. I know you have been trying, we have been doing our best, but I just feel we should do better, do more. Number 4, what is the process by which green plants make their food? This is simple. The process by which green plants make their food is photosynthesis. 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 Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. So because there are certain conditions that must be there before photosynthesis can take place. Are you still with me? Are you still following? If you are following, tell me that you are following. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Detoxification. B. Carbohydrate storage. C. Protein synthesis. D. Hormone secretion. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Detoxification, carbohydrate storage, protein synthesis, and hormone secretion. The answer we have here is hormone secretion. Which blood type is known as universal donor? I hope you are following. By the way, if you watch this particular video till the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus. I will give you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus for those that watch this video till the end. I'm going to give you past questions on biology. I'm going to give you syllabus on biology. I'm going to give you syllabus and past questions on use of English, chemistry, physics, and your other subjects. The 4 subjects we'll be writing, you can get it free of charge. Why am I giving it? I am giving it so that you sit down and prepare. You have the materials, the tools you need. You know why? Because watching the videos I make are so important, but I also need you to do better. Go beyond the videos I did and sit down and study. Let the videos I do be a catalyst, but not the end of the whole thing you want to study. I hope you are still with me. Which type of blood group is the universal donor? Which type of blood group is the universal donor? A, type A, B, type AB, C, type O, D, type B. Universal donor is type O. Universal donor is type O. Assignment number 3. Which type of blood group is universal receptor? There's a blood group that no they give, but they can receive from everybody. Tell me the name of the blood group in the comment section. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? There is a particular hormone responsible for regulating the quantity of sugar in our blood. Is it insulin, or B, estrogen, or C, testosterone, D, tyrosine? Of course, you know the answer is insulin. Insulin. Insulin is responsible for what? Checkmating the level of sugar in your body. Okay, it doesn't allow you to go too low, and it doesn't allow you to go too high. Okay, I want to talk to you. This year's JAMB, you will enter school, you will write and pass. You will be among those that will score 300 and above. Nothing below 300 for you in this JAMB. You will enter school, you will enter into your desired institution, and you will gain the course you are looking for. You will not be ashamed of your JAMB result. I want you to claim it. Be claiming it. In fact, type I claim it in the comment section and tell me the course, the university you are claiming to enter and the course you are claiming to enter this year after writing JAMB. You will not stay at home again. But for these things to happen, let us keep preparing. Let us keep being much more serious. Okay? Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of a renewable resource. You know we have renewable and non-renewable resources, okay? Is it coal? Is it natural gas? Is it wind? Or is it petroleum? Which of the following is an example of renewable resources? Resources that you can renew. A, coal. B, natural gas. C, wind. D, petroleum. The answer is wind. It's renewable, right? If it doesn't finish, but some of these natural resources can actually finish. You dig and dig and dig, and they finish. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A, nitrogen. B, oxygen. C, carbon dioxide. D, hydrogen. The greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gas, you know this, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out what? Carbon dioxide. So it is the greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. I hope you are still here with me. I hope you are still here with me. Remember, apart from biology, we have done several other videos on physics, use of English, chemistry, government, economics, literature. We have done videos upon videos, the JAMB novel. Now, I can give you access to all the videos I've done on biology. I can give you the link to all the videos we have done on physics, on chemistry, on any of them. What you just need to do is to type a comment asking me to please give you link to the videos I've done, and you now mention the name of the subject. Once you tell me the name of the link of the subject and you tell me to give you the link to all the videos we have done, I could give them to you. Let's continue. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? What is the primary function of the respiratory system? A, transporting oxygen. B, excreting waste. C, breathing. D, digesting food. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? It's for breathing, both breathing in and breathing out. Okay, I hope you are here. Which gas is produced during cellular respiration? Which gas is produced during cellular, that is respiration that occurs in the cell? Which gas is produced during cellular respiration? A, oxygen. B, carbon dioxide. C, nitrogen. D, hydrogen. It is carbon dioxide. It is that cell produced inside during cellular respiration that will now be carried back and breathed out. Do you understand? I hope you are following. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? You should go and study the parts of the brain. These questions are always coming out. This is under I think this should be under nervous system. Okay, which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? I want to ask you a very important question, an assignment. Mention all the systems in the body. We have respiratory system, transport system, excretory system, all of them. Mention as many of them as you can remember. Which part of the brain controls balance? Mention them in the comment section. Write these assignments down and ensure you submit them. Don't jump and pass. There is a reason for that. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, brainstem. D, hypothalamus. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? For balance, for coordination, it is cerebellum. 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 There's a difference between cerebellum and cerebrum. Okay? I hope you are still here with me. Are you following? By the way, are the videos I make helpful to you, or should I stop making? Should I stop, or are you finding value in these videos I'm making? If you are benefiting from these videos I make, please talk to me, let me know. It will encourage me to do more. Right? If you are finding it helpful and you want me to ride on to continue to keep dropping videos for you daily, let me know how these videos I make are helpful to you. Right? Because sometimes I just feel that it's not helpful to you people. What is the largest organ in the body? What is the largest organ in the body? A, liver. B, brain. C, skin. D, heart. The answer is skin. C is the answer. Skin is the largest organ in the body? Skin is the large. Imagine if they bring out all the skin in your body and keep one place. You can see how big it will be. It will be larger than every other organ in the body. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? A. Protecting internal organs. B. Producing blood cells. C. Controlling body temperature. D. Producing hormones. Which of the following is not a function of skeletal organs? A. Protecting internal organs. B. Producing body cells. C. Controlling body temperature. D. Producing hormones. The skeletal system does not produce hormones, so that is why the answer is producing hormones. Any of these questions we answer, I hope you note them and make further research. Remember the assignments I gave you. And the final assignment for this video is, we have two kinds of skeleton. Mention them. You can also tell me the animals that have that category, each category of that skeleton. Where the animal falls. Okay, we have two kinds of skeleton. Mention them, and you can mention examples of animals that have such skeletons, organisms. What is the function of white blood cell? Question number 15. What is the function of white blood cell? A. Transporting oxygen. B. Fighting infection. C. Carrying nutrients. D. Clotting blood. What is the function of white blood cell? Transportation of oxygen, fighting infection, carrying nutrients, clotting blood. I want you to tell me the answer in the comment section. There is another name for white blood cell. If you remember it, tell me also. Tell me the answer to question 15. I will not answer question 15 in this video, but in part 8, we will continue from question 15. In the next video, part 8 of our series on biology, we will continue from question number 15. Right now, I want you to do 4 things in order to receive the free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question that I promise you. 4 things. Number 1, like this video. Just click on like this video. Number 2, number 1, join our YouTube channel. That is even number 1. Number 1, we send those materials to only members of our YouTube channel. So go ahead, join our YouTube channel. See it as an important investment. If you have been dodging from joining, go ahead and join. See it as something you have to do in order to, as a way of getting yourself closer and closer to entering school this year. Number 2, like this video. When you have joined this YouTube channel, just click on join, then like this video. Once you like this video, come over and share this video. Click on share this particular biology video, share it here on YouTube, then click on share again, copy the link, share that link on YouTube, on WhatsApp status, on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook status, on Facebook groups, on Instagram platforms, Telegram channels. Just share it to your friends, your classmates group, your class group, everywhere. Anybody you know writing JAMB, share this very link to them. Then when you have shared the link, join our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you click on subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type I have subscribed. What did I say? Type I have subscribed. That is, join our YouTube channel. That one is compulsory. Then like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to also submit all the assignment I've given in this video. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. There is this important video that I'm leaving for you on the screen. Just click on it now and watch.